When I was 7 years old, my Uncle Don died from full-blown AIDS. I was confused. I had seen him go from this man who loved his life. He had so much energy. And suddenly he was stuck in bed and he was sick. And it was in the moment that he left us that I understood what disease was, what it could do to somebody. My name is Catherine Clayton. I'm the CEO and co-founder of OmniVis. And when I was 7 years old, I declared to people that one day I would eliminate disease from the world, which is totally normal for any 7-year-old to say they want to do when they grow up. But I do go to get my PhD, and I'm working on disease diagnostics, and I learned about a very different disease, cholera. I learned that in a country like Haiti, there was no cholera for 100 years until the 2010 earthquake. The disease came, created outbreaks and deaths until 9 months ago. But I learned that Haiti's not alone. I learned that there are 5 million people that get cholera every year in 41 countries, and this leads to over $2 billion that are lost in treatments and human cost. I also see as an engineer that it's taking days to detect cholera in water, and this leaves communities vulnerable to what they're drinking, to what they're bathing in, to what they're cooking with. So I wanted to solve this problem. I decided to use my entire PhD research to focus on and create OmniVis, where we put the power of the lab in the palm of your hand. We've created a platform that can detect for cholera in the water anywhere in the world in under 30 minutes. And we do that with an easy-to-use, portable, and affordable system. We have the hardware component that acts like the portable laboratory. Inside we have lenses, we have heating units to do DNA amplification, and then we have the single-use disposable test kit that somebody puts water into for analysis. And finally, we have the data play. We're able to take this data and this detection and immediately map it, send alert notifications, and then when there's connectivity again, put it into the cloud to create heat maps to understand the outbreak. The way in which this works is we have a single sale of the phone itself and the hardware, and then we create recurring revenue through the single use of that disposable test kit. And this requires no refrigeration or cold chain storage. And we love working with the partners that we do because they have the same vision that we do to eliminate cholera. I pioneered this and brought my team on board as my PhD advisors and now my co-founders. And we bring expertise in global health, engineering, biotechnology, and startup. We want to save lives, and we want to detect pathogens and cholera quickly. If you have connections in policy and procurement within NGOs in the WASH space, please talk to me or go to omnivistech.com. Thank you.